Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at B network, how you can claim your airdrop SP points here on your B network. And if you have not started mining B, look at the link in the video description. Do where to start immediately and start claiming your SP points as well. So we are going to click on explore or explorer. So you paste it on this search bar. I'm also going to attach it in the video description. Locate this in the video description so that you can start claiming your SP point. Now once this link opens, you can now see this page that is saying check-in. Click on this check-in. Okay, the first thing to do for you to claim your SP point is to log in. Look at this login. Tap on the login. Now this is the login session. Log in with your B network. You need to authorize your B network to the SP points website so that you can start mining. So what you are going to do here, they said b.com, your network, your profile, authorize. Click on authorize here. Boom, you have authorized the network. So we are going to go back and click on this, the same check-in. Click on the check-in again. Can you see I've gotten 500 SP points by just logging in, authorizing the website. Now the next thing to do is you need to perform all these tasks here. You have to perform them. Look at this task. Continuously check in to earn 100 SP. Explore B games to earn 60 SP. Airdrop weekly report 400. So we are going to do this one after the other. So I'm going to click on start here. I'll do the daily check-in. Now check-in session 100 SP. I've done this. You close it. Can you see it's already showing claim here? So I've done this one. Then the second one to explore B game, I'm also going to click on it. I have done it immediately. So once you do that, you go back, you click on claim to earn 600 claimed. So the next thing to do now is to click on airdrop weekly report. Click on start. So after that, this is the airdrop weekly report. Take your time, read it. Then you click on this check-in again. Can you see you can now claim the 400? Now it's L2 the top for Ethereum. Start it. Now after reading it to find out, to click on check-in again, you claim it. Can you see now I have 1814.4 SP. So this is what you need to do. There are other tasks here to subscribe to their Discord, to do all these tasks. Do all these tasks to earn SP points. So we are going to locate, bring one new friend, invite new friends. So we are going to see my referral link in the video description. Let me copy it so that you can earn the 500 SP. Use my referral link and you earn bonus for that. So it's in the video description. I've already copied it. So this is what you do every day. Every day you check in, to you do your daily check-in, do the tasks, most tasks. This one is the most tasks. You subscribe to their channel, Discord, Telegram, and S. Do make sure you do them. Once tasks, rate B network. So do this right away to earn your SP point. Now if you click on rank, people already making money. Can you see this young IB Ray? He has a lot of it. So go and start claiming your SP points on B network. Very, very important. So that is it for this video. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.